The 2024 Ford Bronco SUV. Ford Company has unveiled the 2024 model of the Ford Bronco SUV, which is available at a starting price of $41,025. In the 2024 Ford Bronco lineup, the manufacturer has done away with the base version that had a simple finish and small wheels priced at $37,430, resulting in an increase of $3,595 in the starting price. The new base version will be the Big Bend, which features 17-inch wheels replacing the 16-inch ones, wrapped in 32-inch off-road tires, and includes LED fog lights, a leather steering wheel, and much more. Entertainment system upgrade. Significant improvements have been made to the information and entertainment system. The 8-inch touchscreen has been replaced by a 12-inch display. Ford claims that the decision to exclude the base model Bronco from the lineup was made to better meet the needs of customers and also to reduce production time. The Everglades trim, equipped with a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, features an enhanced Force system. This version comes with a winch, a snorkel, and other off-road accessories. The Badlands trim receives a new Heavy Duty Modular bumper, while the top-of-the-line Bronco Raptor will be available in two new colors, Shelter Green Metallic and Velocity Blue, and an optional Code Orange package that adds orange accents